Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your password. First, always go directly to the official login page for the account you need to access. Look carefully for the Forgot Password or Reset Password option, which is typically a small link under the main login fields. Enter your registered email address or username into the form that appears, then click Submit to initiate the process. This sends a crucial verification step to your registered contact information. After submitting your request, the system needs to confirm your identity. You will likely receive an email or a text message sent to your registered contact information. This message will contain either a temporary 6-digit verification code or a direct link to a password reset page. Make sure to check your spam folder if you do not see the message immediately. Enter the code promptly into the website's field or click the link. These codes often expire quickly for security reasons, so act within a few minutes. Now comes the critical step of creating a new password. Your new password should be strong, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Aim for a length of at least 12 characters. Longer is always better. Avoid using personal information, such as your pet's name or birth date, and never reuse old passwords. A strong, unique password provides robust protection for your account. Consider a password manager to help generate and remember these complex credentials. After successfully setting your new password, you will usually be asked to confirm it by typing it a second time. Once confirmed, you should log in immediately using your brand new password to verify everything is working as expected. If you use a password manager or browser autofill, remember to update those records with your new credentials promptly. For enhanced security, always enable two-factor authentication on your account if the service offers it, adding an important extra layer of protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.